Hello children, welcome again to What's Cooking, and as you all know, Easter is coming, so we're going to be making some sweet snacks for you to do in Semana Santa. First of all, we'll be making some crispy cake nests, and then we're going to make a pancake Easter bunny. Right, let's begin. First of all, we're going to be making some crispy cakes, some little nests to put some chocolate eggs in. Right, first of all, we need to put 300 grams of chocolate into the bowl. I've already got 200 grams and I'm going to put in another 100 grams. Then after that, we add 100 grams of butter, which has already been weighed out. So I put that in with the chocolate. Right, now we have our 300 grams of chocolate and 100 grams of butter ready in the bowl, and the next step is to melt it gently in the microwave in 30-second bursts.
A few moments later.
And as you can see, there we stir and there we get a nice smooth consistency. The next step is to add the cereal. Right, and to our chocolate we add 100 grams of Rice Krispies. Right, then we put some paper cases into a muffin tin. And now we put the crispy mixture into each case. Big spoonful like that. Right, and now the next step is to put them in the fridge to let them cool down and set before we put the eggs in.
A few moments later.
Okay, so our crispy cakes are out of the fridge. As you can see, they've gone nice and hard and the chocolate has set. So all we have to do now is put our eggs in. You can use little Kinder eggs. If you can't get chocolate eggs, you could also use some coloured sweeties as if they were eggs. Right children, so that is the first of one of our sweet snacks for Semana Santa. So I'll put these on here because now we're going to be moving on to our bunny face pancakes. Right, for our second sweet snack, we are going to be making a bunny face pancake. And it's only 3 ingredients: flour, some milk and some egg. Okay, so I'm going to make my pancake mix. Some flour. Then we're going to break in an egg. Mix that in a little bit, like this. Add some milk. Give it another stir. You can always add more. Pancake mix should be like a creamy consistency. Now when I've got most of it, I'm going to need a bit more milk there. Then that'll actually make a few pancakes. I am now going to beat it with a hand blender. Some oil. When the oil is hot, we can add a ladle full of our pancake dough, like that. We'll do a couple of minutes on each side, so I'm just waiting for the bottom to set and then I'll flip it over. Our pancake is done, so I'm going to switch this off and put it onto our serving plate, like that. Right children, we've got our pancake and now we want to make them into an Easter bunny. So first of all, we're going to get a banana. Okay, peel the banana. And the first thing we have to do is cut it in half and in half again, lengthways like this. And they will make the bunny ears, like that. Then we need to do the eyes. Now for the eyes, we have 2 small slices of banana, like that. We'll put them there and put a blueberry on top of there to make the center of the eyes. And for his nose, you have a strawberry top like that. Okay. For his whiskers, we could use some of these Micados, these Choco Palitos, for the whiskers. Okay, shall we give him some whiskers like that? Like that. If you want, you could put some honey on, or I'm going to put a little bit of honey, a little bit of syrup there, just to make it a little bit shiny and make it a little bit more yummy. And that's our Easter bunny. Right children, so there we have our 2 proposals of sweet snacks for Semana Santa that you can do with your family. I hope you enjoy them.